Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on Collocations. And today we are going to look at the topic of nature. And the first part of this topic is weather. Number one, unpredictable weather. Unpredictable weather means changeable weather. Example, the UK is known for its unpredictable weather all year round. 2. Mild climate. Mild climate means the gentle weather conditions. Example, I prefer living in countries with a mild climate. 3. Heavy rainfall. It means a lot of rain. Example, the region experiences heavy rainfall during monsoon season. 4. Bright and sunny. When the sky is bright and sunny, it's clear and full of sunshine. Example, we had a bright and sunny morning, perfect for a picnic. 5. Freezing cold. When it is freezing cold, it is extremely cold. Example, it was freezing cold last night. The lake was froze. Sorry, it was freezing cold last night. The lake even froze. Number 6. Heat wave conditions is when it is really hot over a period of time. Example, the city faced heat wave conditions last summer. 7. Cloudy skies is when the sky is full of clouds. Example, cloudy skies often make me feel sleepy. 8. Gentle breeze or breezes is the light wind. Example, there was a gentle breeze blowing through the trees. Number 9. Snow-capped mountains is the mountains with snow on top. Example, we could see the snow-capped mountains from our window. 10. Thunderstorm warning is the alert about lightning and thunder. Example, a thunderstorm warning was issued due to changing weather patterns. 11. Warm sunshine. It is the pleasant sunny weather. Example, I really enjoy sitting on the balcony in the warm sunshine. 12. Drizzle and mist. It's the light rain and thin fog. Example, the morning began with drizzle and mist, making driving hard. 13. Tropical storm. It is the violent storm in hot regions. Example, the island was hit by a powerful tropical storm. 14. Gusts of wind. It is the sudden strong wind. Example, strong gusts of wind knocked down several trees. 15. Chilly morning. Is it when it's cold? Example, it was a chilly morning, so I wore a thick coat. 16. Weather forecast. Is it the prediction of weather? Example, according to the weather forecast, it will rain tomorrow. 17. Clear blue skies. Is it a cloudless sky? Example, we were lucky to have clear blue skies on our trip. 18. Humid conditions. Is it when it is moist and sticky? Example, the humid conditions made it uncomfortable to sleep. 19. Drought season. Is it a long period without rain? Example, farmers suffer from losses during the drought season. 20. Pleasant weather. It is the comfortable and enjoyable conditions. Example, the city is known for its pleasant weather in spring. Now we have some questions for practice. You can use these questions and try to apply what you have learned from this video to answer these questions. 1. What's the weather like in your hometown? 2. What's your favorite type of weather? 3. Are there any types of weather that you dislike? 4. How does the weather usually affect your mood? 5. Do you check the weather forecast regularly? Why? Why not? 6. Do you think the weather affects the kind of activities people do? I hope that you can use the phrases and answer these questions. Thank you for listening.